In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your My Tasks view in Asana. Asana is a powerful project management tool that helps teams coordinate and track their work efficiently. One of its features is the My Tasks view, a personalized space where all tasks assigned to you are organized. By default, this view is private, ensuring that all your tasks remain visible only to you. However, there may be instances when you need to share this view with colleagues or collaborators, and Asana makes this process quite simple. To begin, navigate to your My Tasks section in Asana. You'll find it right at the top of your Asana dashboard, ensuring easy access whenever you log in. Once you're on the My Tasks page, locate the Share button, which is conveniently placed in the top right corner. This button is your gateway to sharing your task details with others. Clicking on the Share button will prompt a new dialog box to appear. Here, you will be able to start adding the email addresses or names of the team members you wish to invite. As you type, Asana might auto-suggest contacts based on your frequent interactions or the existing members of your workspace. This little feature can be quite handy, saving you time and ensuring you select the correct individuals. Once you've entered the necessary emails or chosen the names from the suggestions, simply hit the Invite button. This action sends out invitations to the individuals you've selected, granting them access to your My Tasks view. It's that easy, and with this small gesture, you can foster better collaboration, allow for greater transparency, and ensure your team is aligned with your ongoing tasks. Helpful tip: when sharing your tasks, it's always a good idea to inform the people in advance or provide some context about why you're sharing this view with them. Whether it's for collaboration purposes, project reviews, or simply keeping everyone in the loop, setting expectations can ease communication and smooth the process. Remember that sharing your My Tasks view allows others to see what you're working on, but doesn't necessarily give them permission to edit your tasks, unless you grant them those permissions elsewhere in Asana, so you're still in control of your task management while providing visibility to your colleagues. And there you go. You now have the power to share your My Tasks view in Asana with ease. Whether you're managing projects in a busy work environment or simply coordinating tasks within a smaller team, this feature can enhance your workflow significantly. Thank you for joining me today. Apply these steps, and you'll become even more effective in managing tasks with Asana. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy task managing, and see you in the next video.